Hello everyone. Let's provide a solution to this problem right here. X to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 equals 12. Okay, if you're new to my channel, subscribe before I start because I'm looking at you. Okay, yes, you have subscribed, so let's go. Now we are going to get the complete solution to this problem. But what you should do is to look at the right hand side. What you have there, is it something you can express to be like what you have on the left? 12 is the same as 8 plus 4. And then, mind you, 8 plus 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2. Now, look at what we have on the left. X to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2. Now we can relate. As a matter of fact, what we'll do now is to bring x to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 3 together, right? Then plus, we have x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2. And everything is equal to 0. So that the next step we're going to take is to express difference of two cubes here in this form. A to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, okay, like this, is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. The whole of this is for the difference of two squares. And then after that, we will now come back to the difference of two squares here. This right now becomes x minus 2, okay, that is this one, into a squared plus a squared is now x squared, okay. ab is x times 2, that is 2x, then plus b squared, which is 2 squared, and it's 4. Then plus difference of two squares, you all know what that is. Difference of two squares is like this, x minus 2 into x plus 2. One is positive and the other is negative. Remember, all of this is now equal to 0. Now, this x minus 2, right, will come out. Then here we have this x squared plus 2x plus 4. We'll have this here plus x plus 2. Because x minus 2 is already out. The next problem is to add what we have in the bracket. So that x minus 2 is here. Then here we have x squared plus 3x plus 6 equals 0. Now we have x minus 2 over here. Okay, it's either this is equal to 0 or x squared plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. This bracket is not that needed. Now the next point, from here, our x is equal to 0 plus 2 and x is equal to 2. This is one of the solutions. Now to get the other solutions, let's pick this equation over there and then we try to solve it here. Our x squared plus 3x plus 6 will equate to 0. So that we can use this formula right here. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. And what is a? A is 1. A is 1 and b is 3. So we have minus 3 here. Plus or minus b squared is 3 squared number. Then minus 4 times a, which is 1, and c, which is 6, as we divide all through by 2 times 1. So we will now continue so that x will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 6 is 24. This is over 2 times 1, which is 2. Okay, now let's continue. I want to write over here. So now we're going to have x to be equal to, we have minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 27. 9 minus 27 is minus 15. Sorry, 9 minus 24 is minus 15. Then we divide by 2. Remember that the square root of minus 15 is going to lead us, into a complex solution. We're going to have a complex solution from there. So because of that, let's pick out the negative from there. So we have square root of negative 1, and then it's over 2, so that our x now is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 15 multiplied by I over 2, because square root of negative 1 is I. Okay, now from here we can even rearrange this so that we have x to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus I root 15 all over 2. I remember that this is a 2-in-1 solution. So let's get the 3 solutions for the equation. Let's go. Okay, so if you can remember, we had x1, the first value of x we had is equal to 2. So this is the first solution. Then the second solution is x2, and it's from what we just got. So we're going to have minus 3 plus I root 15 over 2, second solution. Then x3, the third solution, is still from the last part, which is minus 3 minus I root 15 all over 2. This is positive and this is negative. The only difference, between them. So now these 3 are the solutions to the given equation. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so.